Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the image file and a destination URL. Start by verifying the image is hosted and publicly reachable. Once done, pick whether you'll edit HTML, a CMS block, or template. Make sure the image file name and path match. You don't want 404s. Next, create an anchor tag with the href set to your destination and plan to wrap the image element inside it. This immediate step places the clickable container, so you can add attributes and styling next. Now wrap the img element inside an element so the image becomes clickable. This is the core action. When linking externally, add target equals blank and rel equals Nupnerferer for security and performance. For accessibility, include a meaningful alt attribute and consider title on the anchor to clarify destination. If responsiveness matters, add src set or CSS rules so the clickable area scales correctly. Once these attributes are in place, preview across devices and check keyboard focus. Finish by testing the clickable image in multiple browsers and on mobile. Make sure tap targets are large enough and keyboard users can activate the link. If you need dynamic behavior, add a JavaScript listener to the anchor, but prefer semantic HTML first. Verify analytics or UTM parameters if tracking clicks. If something breaks, check console errors and confirm the image URL is correct and CORS isn't blocking it. Tip: if the click doesn't work, inspect overlapping elements in Z-index. They often block pointer events.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.